Hello, welcome back to Beardchanics garage. I'm Gilles. I'm back in the Audi S3, and today I'm going to show you how you can disable your pops and bang even in sport mode, or if you had the issue because of the glitch before on your Audi S3 doesn't pop anymore, I'm going to show you how you can bring those pops back. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing first, one thing to know is that if you put your Audi S3 8V in economical mode, there won't be any pops anymore. So that's one way you can disable them easily. And here I'm going to show you now. Let's put the car on. It wasn't in park. Alright, so we're on. So I'm going to grab you and show you exactly what I do, and then I'll show you a clip of what it sounds like as well. So obviously we are still in park. We are in drive first. Let's open the window so we can hear a bit. So if you put yourself back in neutral, give it some rev. We can see that we do have indeed pops and bang. So now if you go to our selector, one thing to know, you can select your mode this way, or if you have the screen done, you can just keep pressing this button here, and then look here, it will also toggle you, and you can even get to sports mode using that. But anyway, let's go back to our bit. Put yourself in efficiency. As you can see here, we are in efficiency, back in neutral. As you can see now, no more pops and bang. So that's an easy way you can do that. That's generally why the pops and bang have stopped on your car. You've put it in efficiency mode, and I'm going to show you a little trick. So here we are in efficiency mode. If we switch off the car, put yourself back into park, we restart the car. We are now in dynamic mode, but if we go into neutral and here we go, we are now in dynamic mode without any pops and bang. And I can even put myself in sports mode, give it some rev. You can see I'm going up to the soft limiter. We can hear the car rev, no pops and bang. So how do we get our pops and bang? So that we go back to our selector and basically select our efficiency program again, select comfort. You just cycle through them, and generally that seems to fix it. Now we put ourselves back into dynamic. It's still in sport, but even if we just put it in dynamic, we rev. And here we go. Our pops and bang are back. Neutral in dynamic as well. Or if you are in sport mode as well, they will also get your pops and bang. And here you go, guys. That's pretty much it. It's actually something that I've discovered because one day I ran out of fuel very low, so put myself in efficiency mode, went to the petrol station, filled up, switched off my car in efficiency mode, and took my car off again, started in dynamic as usual. But then I was noticing, where are my pops and bangs? Where are my pops and bang? Put myself in sport mode, no pops and bang. Dynamic, no pops and bang. Start on off the car, no pops and bang. It was getting really frustrated, and I actually thought something was wrong with the car. But actually it is not. It is just a glitch. So the efficiency map doesn't have pops and bang in the map. But if you switch off in efficiency map, even though the dynamic or sport map might get loaded when you restart the car, some reason the setting for the pops and bang is still off. on cycling through all the different driving mode, basically bring it back. So you know, just a quick one, but it was very frustrating to me when it happened to me. And if you live in an area where you have a lot of people complaining about your exhaust and stuff, it's good to know that if you put your car in efficiency mode, you can actually go and cruise through without generating any pops and bang. Anyway guys, that's it for this video about the Audi S3 8V. A lot more Audi content is going to come back. The show season has stopped, and I think next year we might focus on big show, but here the main focus this winter is this Audi S3. If you do have one, go check out our playlist as well. We've got already, I think, about 70 videos about the Audi S3 8V, from simple add-on to bespoke solution like the diffuser that is on it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know what your experience is. If you've got a Golf R or a Seat version of my car, let me know if the glitch is in them as well, because it'll be really useful to know. And see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.